Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
This guide shows how to connect an Xbox 360 to Wi-Fi using an Ethernet cable. Gather an Ethernet cable, a wireless bridge or a travel router, and your Xbox 360 console. Make sure you know the Wi-Fi name and password for the network you want to use. Find your primary router admin IP, often 192, 168, 1, and have it available for setup. Allow about 5 minutes to configure the bridge or travel router before plugging in the Xbox and testing connectivity. Power on the wireless bridge or travel router and connect a laptop to its admin page. Use the admin page to scan and join your home Wi-Fi network with the SSID and password. After the bridge joins the network, plug an Ethernet cable from the bridge LAN port into the Xbox 360 Ethernet port. On the Xbox, open System Settings, go to Network Settings, choose Wired Network, and run the network test to confirm connection status. If the connection fails, reboot the wireless bridge, your main router, and the Xbox 360. Verify the bridge actually shows a joined Wi-Fi status on its admin page before testing again. Check the Xbox network test results for NAT type and ping values to assess playability. If NAT is strict, enable UPnP in your router settings or set port forwarding for Xbox Live ports. For stable gaming, aim for at least 25 Mbps download and consistently low ping numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.